Do you feel stuck in your 9 to 5 job and don't want to quit? What if you could use your existing skill to start your profitable online business? That also without quitting your full time job. I did exactly the same, and today I'll show you how. To start your online business while working full time, there are a few steps which you have to follow, which I also followed, and it is working. So, the first one is mindset shift. You don't need to learn any new skill because you already have your existing skills, which you are using already in your full time job. So, the same skill you can use for your own self and monetize it. So, think about your existing job. Have you ever solved any problem? Of course, you have been solving all the problems of the company, that's why they are paying you. That's why you are employed to them. Have you trained anybody like your juniors or maybe your colleague, or you have solved any specific issue, specific problem which nobody else can solve, and they come to you and ask you for help? Believe me, that is not an experience. That is marketable expertise which you already have. You just have to change your mindset and think in this direction also. I know I have been working for last 20 years as an architect. I know the mindset is the main problem I was also facing. Full time employed, like 9 to 5. And that was my mindset. Oh, only I have to work for others. And one day I realized that I already have my skills and I can utilize it. So start thinking of yourself not just as an employee, but as someone who holds a knowledge people are willing to pay for. Believe me, you are already sitting on a valuable skill. You just need to see them through a business lens. The second point, choose a business model that best suits you. I know I also work full time and I understand there is a big problem for all of us who are working full time, and that is time. Now you have changed your mindset and you are ready to do something, and you are already equipped with lots of knowledge. So let's talk about it, how to package it. So I'm going to share with you some perfect business models that are best suited for professionals like you and me. So the first one is coaching. Now that could be a group coaching program or one-on-one. I started one-on-one coaching sessions with my clients. The next one is digital products. Now for example, your field is not best suited for coaching, like you are not supposed to, you don't want to, or you are not willing to guide directly people. You just want to package your expertise in one program or one course. Could be a PDF guide, or it could be a master class, it could be templates, or anything that is digital product that don't need your presence anymore. You just have to package it and then sell online. The next one is freelancing. Now that is very common, and that is service based. For example, your expertise, your industry is based on services based. So you cannot make a digital product, but you want to offer your services, you can do that also. So for freelancing, there are different options. You can use online platforms also, like Fiverr, Upwork, or you can start your own, like make your own brand, get recognition in the market, and then sell your digital products or services online through website or maybe your Facebook account or Insta account. There are lots of platforms which you can use for that. So pick any one model that aligns with your strengths. The next point is pick a specific area of your industry in which you feel that you are expert in. For example, like I'm an architect, I work in different areas. Sometimes I work in interior design, sometimes I work in landscape also, sometimes I work for 3D, sometimes I do presentations also, sometimes I meet clients, sometimes I go to site also, sometimes I design also, conceptual design and all the detailing working. If I want to start as an architect in online business, I would go for basic design, detailing, because that is my expertise. So for your industry, you can also do the same. And the second hint I will give you, a bonus tip I'll give you, which I also used. I didn't use my architectural skills. I used my experience. First time I went to Dubai as a single female, and how I worked there, how I looked for a job, how I got a very good job without any references, without any help, and how I survived, what problems I faced, and I started sharing that online on YouTube. For without any, without any concept of online business in my mind, I just wanted to share my expertise, and then people started asking me questions that, ma'am, how to do that, how to do this, how you face the specific problem, how did you solve that specific problem, how did you apply for jobs, what was your CV format, how did you prepare for interviews. So I started sharing all of them, my personal experiences, which was real time experiences. So that was my experience. So other than your profession, if you want to share your experience which is not related to your profession, that is also fine. You can utilize that also for your online business, because believe me, you think you are nothing, you have done nothing in your life, but there are many people, for them you are a model, or you are an ideal for them, because you are in good position, you are working in your industry, you are earning good amount of salary. I will share some simple questions if you are confused that which specific area should I select for my online business. So people are coming to you for asking some help. It could be anything. Maybe build a system. You have built a system for them, or maybe you are very good in presentation. You are very good in training someone, or you're very good in negotiation. Maybe you are very good in teamwork. Think about it, and that's how you will understand. You will know about your own self that that is your specific niche. That is your specific area which you can utilize because people are asking help for that specific thing. The next step is time management. Now let's be real. I understand. I also work full time. I know time is so crucial for professional like you and me. So how can we take out some time? Because after working hours, we want to relax mentally, physically. We want to spend some time with our family. Be real about it. We are working full time. Time is very tight for us, and you don't need to put 20 hours a week on your online business. You just need 5 or 6 focused hours to start. Number one, batch your tasks. Do similar things together. Number two, set focus working hours for your business only. That could be your weekend, that could be your like after working hours. If you feel that after working hours you feel still energized and you feel still good, then just sit on it for 1 or 2 hours, or maybe 30 minutes every day, or maybe 1 hour every day. It's all up to you. Decide according to your schedule, decide according to your strength and energy, because it's not only your timings. You need to have energy, you need focus also. So it's up to you, how do you decide? But take out some time for that. By doing all this, you will feel that you are keeping your energy balanced and you progress steady. The next is start building your authority on any online platform. I know this is difficult. It was difficult for me also. I would suggest you for starting. If you feel you are good in talking and you want to share your experiences, then you can go for YouTube. But if you like short form videos, then go for Instagram, go for TikTok, whatever suits you. But be consistent on that. Make your schedule, plan your content according to your online business which you want to sell online. Just promote that. Take it as a marketing tool for your online business. Same way, if you're good in writing, use LinkedIn, use Twitter. But keep in mind, don't try to sell immediately, because once you have to build your authority on online platforms, people need to know you first. Once they know you, once they see you, once they recognize you, once they come to your channel for any specific topic which you are sharing, then start pitching, then start selling your product or your online business or your coaching services, whatever model you choose. When people realize that yes, you are helpful for them, they start seeing you as an authority. That's when opportunities start rolling in. So let's quickly recap. Number one, shift your mindset. You're already an expert, you don't have to learn any new skill. Number two, pick a business model that fits to your life. Number three, choose a specific area, specific niche. Number four, use smart time systems that best suits your timings so that you don't feel overwhelmed. Number five, build authority on any one platform initially. Later, you can expand. So, if this video helped you in any way, like and subscribe to my channel to see the same content on my channel. And don't forget to drop a comment and share your experiences with me, which specific industry you are working in. Remember, you don't need to quit your job to start your online business. You just need to start with what you already know. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.